Namaste. My group and I present to you our company. Welcome to our company, Inklets. CEO Mansi Mangalpara, Chairman Shreya Sakaria, Managing Director Shefali Lotia, Executive Head Nishita Jivrajani, Managing Head, Marketing Head Janvi Ramani, HR Head Jalashri Sakhya. Our logo. Our punchline is a product that speaks for itself.
About us. Inklets is a private company consisting of 6 members. It was formed on 5th June 2012, that is the World Environment Day. The main motto behind the formation of our company is to protect the environment by inventing innovative eco-friendly products. It is headquartered in Bangalore, India. SWOT analysis. Strength, customer loyalty. Loyalty towards customer is our priority. We provide quality goods at reasonable prices in order to win trust of our customers. Ability to market and advertise. One of our strengths is that we effectively reach customers through advertisement. Innovation and design. Our company has successfully launched various innovative eco-friendly products. We also design our products keeping in mind customer expectations. Weaknesses. Our company is reliable only on one source of income, that is selling eco-friendly products, and we have low profit margins. Opportunities. Growing through acquisition. That is, the more customers buy our product, the more our company grows. Growing demand of eco-friendly products and to extend the supply of our products. Threat, price wars. We have to adjust the price of our product according to the market value as well as the demand of the product. Competition with Innovic. Innovic is a company which as well sells eco-friendly products. Hence, we have faced tough competition with them. Supply disruption. It is faced many a times by our company due to bad weather conditions or natural calamities.
Our motto, customer is regarded as our God, and our one of the main motto is to satisfy the customer by providing better quality goods at reasonable prices and providing best after sales services. Our aim is to make the customer completely reliable on our company. Our goal is not only to earn the profit but also to earn the confidence of the customer. Visiting cards. Letterhead. Our product. X out. X out is the synonym of erase. Our product helps to erase the ink from the paper. We are launching this product to avoid forest depletion because we aim at saving trees and not shaving trees. And of course, when one can save a tree, we all can save a forest. Advantages of this product are, it is easily portable. X out contributes towards saving a forest by reducing the wastage of paper and emphasis on reusing it. We aim at going green by reducing the wastage of paper, recycling and reusing the paper, and removing misprints from the paper.
Materials used. We have used aluminium in frame making. We have used glass for supporting the paper. We have used pulley for the movement of fiber. Sponge is used as a cleaning material. AC motor acts as a source of power, and we have used a chemical known as methyl ethyl ketone, which helps to remove ink from the paper. These are the different parts of a product. a product. Demo of our product.
This product, XO, helps in removing the ink as we all already know. Now let us see the working of the product. This is the frame of the product. For inserting the paper in the machine, hold the handle upwards. Then fix the paper into the clip. After fixing in the lower clip, fix in the upper clip. Now push the handle downwards. Now insert the power plug into the socket and switch it on. Now press the terminal at the required length of the cable and the bulb will start to move. And here we are, ready with a plain page to use it again.
Target customers. People who uses our product in wide range are the companies that uses printing materials, students who study in secondary schools, office workers as they have their work to be done on paper, architects who uses blueprints, printing and advertising departments, and newspaper agencies. Services offered. Services that are offered by us are we offer eco-friendly products as the environment needs the support of mankind. Our vision, mission, and motto is to provide all kinds of help a person needs, by which a customer is satisfied. We offer 2 years of warranty in case of any malfunctioning of the parts of our product or in case of any wear and tear. We provide a free chemical spray free in the purchase of our product X out.
You can also purchase our product from online shopping site that is Flipkart. Price. Our product is absolutely affordable, costing only rupees 9,999, which complements a chemical spray for free.
We will launch our product on 13th of August 2013. You can also purchase X out from your nearby stores or the online shopping site which is Flipkart. For more information, you can log on to www.inkletcreation.in. This is our location of the company. You can get the latest updates and screens of our product through SMS. For SMS, you can type buy X out and send it to 8900 89005. This is the website page.
Welcome to the website of Inklets. This site gives you brief information about our company as well as about our product X out. About us. This page tells you about our company, which was formed on 5th June 2012, World Environment Day. The main motto of our company is to protect our environment and invent eco-friendly products. Our latest launch, X out. This page gives you the detailed information of our product, talking about its features, advantages, and its availability. Services. Services we offer are 2 years warranty in any case of wear and tear or malfunctioning. Our product is available at all Inklet stores and also on Flipkart, the online shopping site. We also offer a free chemical spray with the purchase of X out. Gallery. This is the page which shows photos. Contact us. Our headquarters is located at Kangaree Satellite Road, Bangalore, Karnataka, India. You can contact us on 2577-534 or 8900-89005. Our email address is inkletscreation@gmail.com.
We have also promoted our site through Facebook and Twitter. This is our Facebook page. And this is our Twitter page. You can also reach us through YouTube.
Newspaper and magazine advertisement. Our product will be published in India's highest selling newspaper, that is the Times of India, Dainik Bhaskar and Divya Bhaskar. For the global outlook, it will also be published in the famous magazines like The People, Rebel, Forbes and Times. This is our newspaper ad for the Gujarati newspaper. This is our newspaper ad for the English newspaper. This is our newspaper ad for the Hindi newspaper. This is our first magazine advertisement. And this is our second magazine advertisement. Our pamphlets. Pamphlets will be distributed along with the newspaper, which will help us to reach a huge number of people. This is our pamphlet. Our hoarding. Radio jingle in Hindi.
फक्र है मुझे आप सब भक्तों पे जो अपनी बिजी लाइफ से समय निकाल के यहाँ आए हैं। एक ओल्ड मंक ने कहा था, अपने अंदर के ब्लैक चॉक को संभाल के रखो, वरना माथे पे ब्लैक लेबल लग जाएगा जो कभी नहीं मिट सकता।
एक्सक्यूज मी पापा, मुझ पर एक एहसान करो कि आपकी लास्ट लाइन को डिलीट करना, क्योंकि इंकलेट्स द्वारा लॉन्च किए गया एक्स आउट प्रोडक्ट हमारी पेपर पर की गई सारी गलतियां मिटा सकता है, और तो और हम उसी पेपर को दोबारा इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं।
Now available at your nearby Inklet stores. For more information, call on 257-7534 or log on to www.inkletscreation.in.
Radio jingle in English.
My dearest. Oh no. Dearest Arav. Oh God. I love you. And oh!
Ouch! What are you doing? What is this? And why are you wasting so many papers?
Are you suffering from this problem? Then get updated and use X-Out. X-Out, a product launched by Inklet that erases ink from the paper. It is now available at nearby Inklet stores. For more information, you can log on to www.inkletscreation.in. Inklets, for those who make a lot of mistakes.
Our television commercial.
Yes, finally I've completed my project.
Oh really? I don't think you can submit this tomorrow.
You think you are so smart? See this. See, your work is not successful.
Yes, Excel removes the ink from the paper thoroughly and the paper can be reused again. For more information, log on to www.inkletscreation.in. For every sales paper, Inklets will also plant a tree. Our making.
ख्वाबों
give a live demo of the product.
This paper is inserted in the machine. This is the result which we got.
So basically,
दांत अच्छे हैं.
Our sincere thanks goes to Bijal ma'am, Ankur sir, Prashant sir, Mr. Riddish Vyas and Bhumika Sakhya.